34As and 34Bs.
Mr. Chairman, you know, when you say it was very thorough, Queen's English, probably now King's English, it's good to explain when you say it was very thorough. What do you mean?
Because all the agents had a chance to look at all the forms, and if there was any issue, then it will be brought to our attention as a commission and is resolved before that result is announced. And in fact, at the end of the day, then after everything is clear, then the commissioners would go and announce the result. I announced the first result. I think that was will be East, and then the rest were done by the commissioners.
So you are saying it was thorough?
Yes.
Involved everyone?
Yes.
The commissioners also?
Yes, everybody was involved.
Right.
Yeah.
Was there any point where, and I mean particular, Commissioner Irene Masid came and said, this, what you have verified as the results, looking at the portal or what was scanned at the polling station, is a problem or is not correct?
I'm not aware of any such issue being raised by Commissioner Masid about the results being or not being correct.
Not being correct.
Yeah.
And this announcement